The sun is a giant source of energy. It showers Earth with 35,000 times the amount of energy required by all of us. Out of all the energy from the sun, only 0.1% is utilised for electricity consumption. When solar panels come across sunlight, the solar photovoltaic cells present on solar panels convert this light into DC electricity. The electricity is then fed into a solar inverter, which converts DC electricity to AC electricity that is usable by your home and your power grid. It is important to know that the solar photovoltaic cells function in the presence of light, not heat, so whenever the sun shines, even in overcast conditions, it's still generating electricity. During sunny days, when your solar power system is producing more electricity than you require, the excess energy is sent back to your utility company, where they are required to pay you for generating excess electricity at a rate which is predetermined by the Australian government. During night times, when there is no sun around, your power grid takes control of providing your home electricity with the usual charges. This process is automated and does not require human involvement. Instead of using electricity produced from coal, which damages the environment, you can use electricity generated from a clean, green and visible process and be in control of your electricity bills. For more information on how solar energy can help you reduce your electricity bill, call us on 1300 776 527 now.